With these so many modules, we could say goodbye to traditional downlight with fixed shields and reflectors. As you can see, the reflective cups have different colors and shapes, can meet different collections. The specialist ability is to replace both the shield and the reflector, allowing you to customize your illumination effortlessly.